Those oxide mix with the rainwater and form acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, nitrous acid, etc. These acids mix with the raindrops and snowflakes and come down as a rain called acid rain. So what is acid rain? When oxide of these SO2, NO2, CO2 mix with the water form the different types of the acids such as sulfuric acid, nitric acid, nitrous acid, etc. and comes out with the droplets of the rain called acid rain. Now effect of the acid rain. Acidity of the soil and water bodies increase due to the acid rain. It burns, it harms the aquatic organism, plants and entire forest life. Total ecosystems are adversely affected. Now yes, effect of the accident. First effect we have seen. What happens? The acidity of the soil and water bodies increases and this causes the effect of total ecosystem of the that soil or that water bodies. Second, erosion of the building busts, historical monuments, bridges, metal idols, wire fences, etc. occurs due to the acid rain. Now erosion of the buildings. Erosion. Okay, we know that the corrosion. Corrosion. What is the corrosion? The loss of the surface of the metals. Loss of the surface of the metal because of the yes formation of the different type of the salt called corrosion. So similarly, loss of the fertile layer of the soil is called as the erosion of soil. Similarly, loss of the upper surface of the structures like building, monuments are called erosion. So in erosion what happens? That upper layers are lost and because of that the monuments buildings are destroyed. Now yes, here what happens? Erosion of building, historical monuments. Now historical monument, whatever things which are made in memory of any person is called as the historical monuments. For example, the gateway of India, it is a monument made in the memory of the prince of the Britain when he came to visit the Mumbai. It also causes erosion of the building, bridges, metal idols, made the idols or statues which are made up of metals. Okay, we have seen in the lesson of metal and non-metal that there is corrosion of the statue of liberty which is made up of the copper. वायर फेंसेस मीन्स क्या होता है? ये जो फेंसिंग होती है किसी खेत के अराउंड या ये हमारे बिल्डिंग के प्रीमाइसिस को कवर करने के लिए फेंसेस लगे रहते हैं, कांटेदार जो तार लगे रहते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? फेंस. तो वायर फेंसेस आर आल्सो अफेक्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ द एसिड रेन. Third, heavy metals like mercury and cadmium are absorbed up by the plants and thereby enter the food chain indirectly due to the acid rain. Now yes, metals, heavy metals such as mercury, cadmium, these are absorbed when they reach to the soil with the rain and these indirectly enter in the food chain and into the body of the living things. Now fourth one, due to acidification of water in water bodies and pipes, leaching of the metals and plastic materials occurs in the water and then by serious problem arise. Now yes, when water become acidic, so there is the leaching of metal plastic materials in the water and because of this there is a serious health problems. Next, preventive measures of the air pollutions. Now yes, measures, here measures means what? उपाय कि क्या क्या उसको एयर पोल्यूशन को रोकने के लिए उपाय करेंगे. ओके, मेजर का माप, नाप या माप, उसके साथ साथ में यहाँ पे क्या मीनिंग है, उपाय। ओके, द वेज बाय विच वी कैन प्रिवेंट द एयर पॉल्यूशन। तो ये क्या है, ये उसको क्या बोलेंगे, मेजर्स। नाउ फर्स्ट वन, स्मोक एमर्जिंग फ्रॉम द फैक्ट्रीज कंटेन हार्मफुल पार्टिकल्स, हेंस पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोलिंग machinery should be used. Example, arresters, filter, etc. So now yes, that smoke which comes out from the chimney of the factories is polluting the air. So hence to prevent the air pollution, there should be installment of the machine like arrester, filter, etc. Second, proper disposal of the stinking waste generated in cities. Now yes, proper disposal of the waste water should be done, which is generated in the cities. Third, control on atomic tests, chemical weapon, etc. So yes, third one, control on atomic test. Now we know that each and every country is making the atomic weapons, so that test should be stopped doing in the water bodies, because the testing of the atomic missiles, atomic bombs are generally done in the sea. So that's why yes, it polluting the water bodies and harming the aquatic life. So that's why it should be yes, stop to do the test in the water bodies. Fourth, control ban over CFC production. Now CFC causes the depletion of ozone layer, that's why use of the CFC should be banned. Do you know air quality index, AQI? It is important for citizens to know the extent of the air pollution in their city so as to define the air quality index. Proportion of SO2, CO2, NO2, ozone, particulate matter, etc. is measured every day. So now I think you have seen on the roads nearby the signals there are some indicators that are showing the quantities of the SO2, NO2, and that board yes shows the proportion of the SO2, CO2, NO2, and by seeing this that board we can come to know yes the pollution level at that time in that place. Board indicating the air quality index are displayed in the busy squares in the metro cities. तो जो ये बोर्ड्स होते हैं जहाँ पे ये क्या होते हैं, ये चौराहे होते हैं जहाँ पे फोर रोड्स क्या होते हैं, ज्वाइन होते हैं, तो उस जगह पे क्या होता है, ये बोर्ड लगाए हुए रहते हैं जहाँ पे हम लोग क्या है ये देख सकते हैं कि क्या उस टाइम की क्या है ये एयर क्वालिटी है. डू यू नो air pollutants with the sulfur cause color change in the paints, oil painting, nylon, cotton fabrics, leather articles and paper, etc. Okay, so the air pollutant sulfur cause the change in the color in the paints, oil painting, nylon, cotton fabric, leather, etc. So that's why the sulfur pollutant should be controlled. Okay, now yes, next one is the water pollution. This will be see in the next lecture. The student, if you have any doubt, you can ask to me now. किसी को कुछ doubts है? Read the lesson at home, and wherever you have doubt, you note down and ask in the next lecture. Yes, student. Okay, yes, you have to read the lesson again. We will start the next part of this lesson, water pollution, in the next lecture. Okay, now yes, I am ending the meeting.